bullseye.
In order to improve the accuracy of hitting bullseyes, we have go through the Six Sigma quality management techniques.
Now we are going to introduce the define phase. We have set some boundary for this project: draft type, rules, same person, same environment, and same distance. Use the tool like Voyos Customer for define phase. Customer has 3 expectations: deeply understanding of the rule, higher hit rate of bullseyes, get the higher scores. Here is the process flow for the board game.
Then is the measure phase. We have used CPKs and cause and effect diagram. This one is the fish bones diagram, which is cause and effect diagram, and there's 4 categories: aim, grips, stand, and also through. In measure phase, we have 2 operators, A and B. One the measure phase with sample size 10 and subgroup size of 100. This is the CPK for operator A. The sample mean is 14.2 and the standard deviation is 4.34. For operator B, the sample mean is 14.6 and the standard deviation is 5.44.
This is the analyze phase. In the analyze phase, we use cause and effect diagram, check sheet, and also Pareto chart. By using cause and effect diagram, we list out possible factors by brainstorming. In check sheet, we can collect the data from observing the real situation of falling dart. By using Pareto chart, we can rank the factors from largest to smallest impact. And also we can identify and focus on the battlefield factors. This is the cause and effect diagram. There are many factors. We categorize the factors in aim, grip, stand, and throw. And this is the check sheet. In the check sheet, we collect the data. We observe the players falling dart hitting bullseyes in 100 times. And we need to check the top 3 key factors of hitting bullseyes from each player. In the Pareto chart, we can find out the top 4 key factors. They are number of fingers, weight, balance, close eye, and also follow through. All of top 4 factors contribute 65% out of the total impact. So by identifying the top 4 factors, we use these 4 top factors to carry out the design or experiment in next phase.
The first factor for aims is open all eyes. Second factor is close one eye. For grip, the first factor is 5 fingers. Second one is 3 fingers. For stand, is weight balance 50 to 50 is the first factor. Second one is weight balance 70 to 30. For through, the first one is with follow through. The second factor is without follow through.
In the improved sessions, we will have 2 operators to do the experiment. The following is our interpretation of the experimental result. First of all, from the Pareto chart of both operator A and operator B, we can see that 3 factors is dominant, like the number of eyes, number of fingers, and the follow-through. From the main effect port, we can further describe that when the players play with 1 eye open, 3 fingers, and with follow-through, the hit rate is the highest. And the normal effect plots of both operator A and B shows that there are some factors as very significant, like the eyes, fingers, and the follow-through. And the interaction plot further shows that there are some factors that are interrelated with each other. And the residual plots of both operator A and P in the normal probability plot, the p-value is greater than 0.5. And there's no patterns, especially V-pattern shapes in either shape, and all the points are within the control limit. In the club plot, we can see that when the players play again with one eye open, 3 fingers, and with follow through, their hit rate is the highest. So, from the experiment, we can see that the best combination for the players to play is to close one eye with 3 fingers and play with the follow through.
Now we are going to the control phase. In the control phase, we adopt the new betters to operators. We'll fold the dark again with the sample size 10 and the subgroup size is 100. And compared with the data in measure phase, the mean values improved, the range value also become narrow. For the operator A's, sample mean is 22.4 and the standard deviation is 4.16. For the operator B, the sample mean is 22.5 and the standard deviation is 4.32.